Hi guys, hope you've been well. It's been a minute for me, but like I said, this is quite just a passion project for me. I have a full-time business that I run and I'm a new mom, so things can get quite hectic and I don't have a fixed day to record, and so I just try to squeeze it in when I can. I can't wait to share with you what I got a few days ago. Normally, I'm very well thought out with my purchases, especially big ones. Like I typically do my research ahead of time. I budget. I tend to know exactly what I want and when I'm going to get it. My client advisor, who is amazing, she knows me like this, and every time I go in, she already has the bags or wallets or whatever I want already aside for me. So I'm pretty direct and quick that way. So for me to buy this bag, something that wasn't on my list, is pretty out of the ordinary, but you'll see what I mean when I show you this little baby. As you get to know me, you know that there's always a backstory to anything. So with this particular bag, my husband and I had a quick day to ourselves where we were able to have my parents watch my baby, and we actually went out to South Coast Plaza for Veterans Day. You may or may not know, but my husband is in the service and he's been in the Navy for 15 years. And for Veterans Day, we thought we'd have like a nice dinner. And we also wanted to celebrate a little something that I hope I can share with you soon. So while we were in the area, I had to get a little present for my sister, and I think I'll share that with you guys in another video because it makes a great gift for anyone really. At Louis Vuitton, my amazing client advisor was able to find me something really nice for my sister, and I finally got to try on the bum bag. And I wish I took a video. The bum bag was never something on my list, but you guys, I'm trying so hard not to get it, but I think I might come back for it. We'll see. Let me know if you guys have the Louis Vuitton bum bag and love it. Like, write it down below and give me even more reason to go get it. So as I was checking out, my client advisor started whispering, and she is, I swear, the funniest lady ever. And she was telling me that this is all whispering, right? She tells me, guess what? And I'm like, what? She said, I actually have a Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy on hold for someone, and they haven't gotten back to me in days. And so if you want it, I can give it to you. You guys, again, I'm very careful with my purchases, and I'm like, I never wanted a Nano Speedy personally, but since I've had my baby girl, I've always had this idea that it would be amazing to get her one. I know this is ridiculous. No baby needs a Louis Vuitton, but I figured it would be amazing to have one made in her year. And when it comes time, when she's of age and she enjoys these things, then she can have an amazing, by that time, vintage Nano Speedy. So you guys, I just kept thinking and thinking about it, and even my husband was there, and I'm like, we really don't need to spend this much because I may have a little secret for you, but we are in the process of buying our first home. And so I really was like, I cannot justify spending this much money on a little baby bag. And so my client advisor was ringing me up for my sister's gift, and you guys, I could not pass it up. Like, it's like being offered a Birkin, but not, you know what I'm saying? So I bit the bullet. I had to, whether it becomes my daughter's bag or my most prized possession in life, or, you know, something I could resell. Although, to be honest, I don't really see myself doing that. I ended up getting the cutest bag known to mankind. As you may or may not know, the cult following on this little bag is so real. It is pretty much impossible to buy in store because certain Louis Vuittons only get 1 to 2 every year. Some don't even get any at all. So Louis Vuitton really does a really great job. So Louis Vuitton really does keep a handle on the distribution of this bag, making it a very much in demand piece, especially by collectors worldwide. And honestly, to buy this from Louis Vuitton without a markup, like just as is pretty rare. So I really see, so you guys know, I just had to get it because I don't think I could ever find this again. So if you watched my last video, you know last time they were out of boxes and ribbon and all that. So this time they had the right box, they had it all pretty, and the ribbons in the bag. I actually have opened it and admired it and just looked at it for hours. I'm just kidding. But it does have everything that you would expect Louis Vuitton to have. So without further ado, let me show you the cutest little bag I've ever seen. You guys, it's so tiny. Look. All right. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. I don't know if I've ever had a bag elicit this much emotion from me. Every time I look at it, it just makes me so happy. And if you watch Marie Kondo, it sparks so much joy in my life. And for that reason, I think I will never sell this thing. So here you guys go. It's literally a Speedy shrunken down. And you guys, how cute is this? Okay. And little handles. Oh my gosh. And the strap right here. Here's the strap, and the strap is non-detachable and non-adjustable. So I'll try it on in a minute. To be honest, I'm not sure if I would ever wear this bag. Who knows? I might. I won't say never. I might even try to attempt to put some things in here, but the strap is nice and pretty long, and I'm tall, so I don't think I'll have an issue with that. And it's so beautiful, you guys. I mean, I don't consider myself a collector by any means. Like, I definitely buy and wear my bags to use as a consumer. I don't really collect things just to look at it and sit there and admire it from afar, but I don't know. I think this is something I want to treasure for the rest of my life. Inside you have just one main compartment, and the tag right here says it's made in France, and the date code behind it, I don't think I'll be able to show you guys because it's tucked behind this tag, but it shows that the bag was made in the year 2020, which is a pretty significant year for me with my baby and, you know, closing on a house and my business almost at its 5-year mark. So 2020, as much as a crazy year it was for most people, has been quite important for me and my family. So having a bag like this with Jana, which is my baby girl's name's birth year, is quite special. So I can't get over how cute this is. So I don't think there's really much else to show you guys. I mean, this, I didn't notice that there, but as you can see, there's no further buckling or adjustments that can be made. So it's Nano Speedy M61252, if you were wondering. My client advisor was super funny because she kept calling this like a little treasure. And while in store, literally any of the other essays that would pass by and saw that she had this was like gasping, because I'm pretty sure the minute that she puts this back on inventory, or I'm not sure how it works exactly, but like I said, she had this reserved for one of her clients, and her client didn't get back to her within days, so she was able to give it to me. And without a doubt, the minute this goes on the floor, any of those essays will have somebody waiting in line to purchase this little bag. So this would have been gone in a heartbeat. And if you were wondering, this currently retails for $1,180. That is a lot of money, you guys. But I kid you not, this can pretty much be double the price in the resale market for a brand new piece. And even with some wear, this still retails way above the original price And on average, I think in good condition, I still see this bag for 1,500, which is a lot more than what I had paid for it buying it directly from Louis Vuitton. So honestly, you guys, if you do want this bag and you've been looking for this and want to buy it from Louis Vuitton, I just happened to get really lucky. But I think having that relationship with your SA or client advisor is really important because, like I said, she didn't have to sell this to me, but she had this set for someone who really wanted it. And I feel kind of bad, but at the same time, you know, she gave her a few days and she did, you know, someone else's loss is someone else's gain. And I feel so bad saying it, you guys, but I really came up with this beautiful little treasure of mine. Besides that, you guys, I think the only thing you can really do is sign up to be in the waiting list if they ever get one and nobody wants it, which I don't think would happen in a normal setting. If you really want to do your hands on it as soon as possible, there are personal shoppers you can find. I personally have never used one, but those are personal shoppers that can get you any of your dream bags, but of course at a surcharge. And like I said, these bags are highly coveted on the online resale market or sites like Fashion File, where you can get one easier and you can get one easily, but it has to come with a little bit of a cost because of the demand. So I know, guys, I got so lucky. I'm gonna show you how this looks on me. But again, I'm not sure if I would ever use it, even know if my daughter would end up liking it, but I mean, I can resell it then for a fortune, I'm assuming. For reference, I am 5'7" and pretty curvy and postpartum, so I am a little bit on the thicker side right now, but this is what the bag looks on me, and I know it looks pretty crazy, but this is how it's really cute. Special guest. Hi, Jenna Bear. Hi. Do you like your bag? Look. What is this? What's this? Oh. I hope you found today's video somewhat useful. I just thought I'd share this little treasure that I did get the other day, and I think Jonah's gonna like it. Yeah? Are you gonna love it? Do you love it? Jenna, hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Do you like your bag? Yeah, you do. All right, everybody. We hope you have a good rest of your weekend. Stay safe and well. And Jenna, do you say bye? Bye-bye. 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 Mwah. You show them your little bun?